family, happy Friday. Look, I know one of the subscribers did ask about a colon cleanse, just a different one, and I'm just showing different methods that we can use. Today, I'm just going to show you where I use pineapple. You see, I got my pineapple, I have ginger, and I have lemon and water. So right now, I'm just showing you different methods of cleaning out toxins out your body, because it's all about, it's just all about that cold pack. So of course, we're using pineapples, just like on my other video, I showed you about just cleaning out your colon. For starters, we're just going to use pineapples because, look, everybody got that. Yeah, I already know y'all want something with sugar. So this will satisfy your sugar cravings because, look, we're going to use this because I want you guys to have something without adding extra calories and extra sugar just to bloat your, our bodies. So we're going to go ahead and get started. So I'm going to go ahead and juice it. So just for video purposes only, I already juiced it. So here's my juice. So what you want 6 cups. You want 6 cups of pineapples. You want 1 cup of water. You want 2 slices of lemon. And you want 1/4 teaspoon or 1/2 teaspoon of ginger, fresh ginger. You already see I got the fresh ginger. So what you do is you take your container and you go ahead and pour your fresh pineapple juice in your container that you're gonna have. So this 1 cup of water. Just adding 1 cup of water. You can add a piece of ginger. I'm adding a piece of ginger. Or you can add ginger juice. It just depends on what you want to do. I'm going to go ahead and do both. You don't have to do it. And you want just 2 slices of lemon. And that is it. What we do is we just let it infuse. So what you want to do is you just put it in the refrigerator. So what we're doing is put it in the refrigerator for 12 hours. Okay, so 12 hours has passed because you want it there over 12 hours. You want it to infuse. So, and you just drink up. I would drink it 8 ounces at a time until you drink it that day. This is the best time if you're going to do a colon cleanse. So you already know I'm going to add a little kick. You can add black pepper or you can add cayenne pepper. Today I'm just going to add 1 drop of black pepper essential oil. Just adding 1 drop for this mix. So the next one you can add the cayenne pepper. It just depends on you. I just want extra. So, always do things with a kick and you just drink up. You just drink up. You drink all of this down. So you're drinking this the entire day. You can have this every 3 hours. But if you want, just take your time and drink it down and flush all them toxins out your body. Look, happy drinking, family. And family, you can blend it. So you see I have water, pineapple, and I have a little piece of ginger in there. And I always juice my lemon juice. See, I only have a little left. And I'll just put a splash of lemon juice because it says 2 slices of lemon. So I'll just put a splash in there. And then you blend. And turn it off. And pour in the container. Yeah, this is real thick because we left the fiber in there. You just seal them up and put them in the refrigerator. Then we store in the refrigerator. But look, family, make sure y'all label stuff because you see I'm putting it here without the labels.
Okay, we got it all labeled up and ready to drink down. So I showed you 2 different ways that you could do. Well, this is a 3rd way because a couple of videos ago I did show you one which you add cucumber. But these are 2 different detox. One is blend, one is juice. where you can just detox your body, cleanse out your colon, because look, you know our colon is messed up. And look, when you can't trust the food, you can always add herbs like I'm showing you, or you can add a herbal cleanse. And then, it's just the same thing that that our elders, we got people that's rest in power, that's teaching us, because all we want to do is keep elevating spiritually, because we need to ground. So, understand that your feet are connected with your organs, and you can ground. So always ground, because we already know food's supposed to be our medicine. Look, just wanted to show you a quick, easy recipe that one of the subscribers asked. So there you have it. There you have a good recipe that you guys can use and drink all day, or do a cleanse. But listen, make sure you drink water. But look, herbalist Viola, happy Friday, guys. Peace.